Dear all, today I have prepared this video only to tell you that now Corona has gone if you have taken a vaccine. For non-vaccinated persons, Corona is still there. Now you will ask me, Sir, Omicron has now the new variant is there. And on the video, on the TV channel, in the newspaper, on the YouTube, you are watching that Corona can cause serious problem in India. But as per the President of Microbiologist Society, I want to tell you that it is a half truth. For example, 2 days back, V.K. Paul, who is a member of Niti Aayog of India, have told that in mid of the February, third wave is likely to come. But he has told only half truth. What is the truth? Is there possibility of third wave in mid of the February? Yes, there is a possibility. But he forgotten to tell you that although it is a third wave, it will be totally mild third wave. Mild meaning is that people will not be admitted in the hospital. There will not be more death due to the Omicron variant. So again I am telling you how. I will tell you. Already scientists have told that Omicron is a 40 times more transmissible than Delta variant. But at the same time, scientists are telling that it is a 10 times less severe to cause the disease in human being as compared to Delta. Now understand? 40 times more transmissible, 10 times less virulent. It means that we were waiting for such variant. Actually, the God has sent this variant that it will infect many people, will make them immune to the disease. So, nothing to worry for Omicron. All scientists are telling that even the temperature is also not the symptom. Loss of smell, loss of taste is not the symptom of the Omicron. So there are very, very mild symptoms of the Omicron. Now understand again. In Maharashtra, the task force chairman has told that there is an immediate need of the third booster dose. Because first dose we have taken, second booster dose we have taken. Now there will be third dose, it will be booster dose. But again let me tell you, all members of the task force, they are MBBS doctor. Again I am telling, even the V.K. Paul, member of Niti Aayog, he is a MBBS doctor. If I ask them, how much you have studied microbiology during your education? Only one semester during MBBS. When they did MD surgery, MS surgery, during that 2 course, they studied nothing about the microbiology. So, same thing is about the chairman Sanjay Oak in Maharashtra or V.K. Paul in Delhi. They know very little about the microbiology and epidemiology. And they are giving opinion by reading in the newspaper, by reading in the YouTube. So, their opinion do not have scientific background, do not have the depth. So again I am telling you that in India there is no need of the third dose at all. You will ask me, why sir, why you are telling? Again I will justify. You compare the situation in UK, European countries, America, and in India or in all Asian countries. In all Asian countries, now there is no third wave. In all European countries, including UK, there is a fourth wave. In some countries, there is a fifth wave. So the lifestyle and body physiology may be probably the reason. So in UK, they started third booster dose. In USA, they are thinking. In many European countries, they are thinking. But in India, it is absolutely not essential. The reason is that in India, we have started everything: transport, market, marriages, the public public activities, all public activities we have started. Even then, how many are the cases? Cases in India are only 7,000 to 8,000 per day. And that is infection. And out of them, 50% are in Kerala. In remaining states, only 4,000 cases are there approximately per day. So, India should not be worried. And again, among the infected cases, among the death, how many are the persons have taken both doses of corona vaccine? There are very, very few persons. It means that if you take a corona vaccine, definitely it will stop all types of viruses effectively. If at all Omicron infects, it is a very, very mild. So why you are worried? Now we require third booster dose. When we require third booster dose? After 9 months, as ICMR has told. So it should be, again, booster dose should be updated vaccine. So updated vaccine booster dose is essential. Now one more thing. Yesterday there was a news. The breaking news. People should get worried. And very problematic situation. What was the news? News was 16 children infected with the Omicron. Now you see, always I am telling all media reporters, all TV channels, all newspaper require scientific consultant. Why? Because children got infected by Omicron. Is it a serious news? It is not a serious news because we are telling right from the beginning that children may get infected but asymptomatically. Same thing has happened. After 2 days, children have not shown any symptom, and after 8 days, they were negative. But media is not giving the news that without any symptom, children were recovered. Without any treatment, children were recovered. Only breaking news and breaking news. So really I am worried. I am requesting you, don't watch the TV. Don't go for the wrong news on the YouTube. Wrong interviews by all MBBS doctors. They are giving half truth and they are not telling us, because MBBS doctor, it's not a mistake of MBBS doctor. They know very little about the immunology. They know very little about the epidemiology. I am again telling to the surgeon, whenever you are doing operation, whether you are doing alone, you need one anesthetician. You need one MD medicine to control the blood pressure. You need MD path to check the blood and urine. It's a teamwork. So here, whenever we are looking after the health of India, health of Maharashtra, you don't need microbiologists. Only doctors, and doctors are there in task force. In Maharashtra, there are 7 members in task force. All of them are MBBS doctors. And maximum of them are non-MD micro. So, again, through this video, I am going to make an appeal to all microbiologists. Spread this news that take a vaccine, obey the protocol, that is a distance, mask, sanitizer, and now the corona has gone, nothing to worry. There should not be fear psychosis among the people. Give the message to all layman, common man, which are in contact with you. Thank you very much. Thank you. In UK, cases of Omicron are increasing. And all these people are telling, you see, cases are increasing in UK. Actually, the maximum cases during Delta variant were only 65,000 per day. That was the maximum in UK. Now there are about 95,000 per day. Again, I am telling this is a half truth. Because during the Delta variant, although the cases were only 65,000, deaths were 1,500 per day. And now, although the cases are about 95,000, the death cases are only 100 per day. So, what it indicates? It indicates that although the Omicron may cause third wave, but there are no deaths. Deaths are decreasing and normal deaths are there. Don't worry about the Omicron variant. Again, one more thing. People are telling that during Delta variant, many people died. I am telling them that many people died because we were not having vaccine. Now we have a vaccine, so there is no need to worry about any variant now. Thank you.